गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों, थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग माय यूट्यूब चैनल। दोस्तों, टुडे आई एम वॉकिंग इन द फॉरेस्ट एंड वी आर मीटिंग सो मेनी पीपल्स एंड वी आर लुकिंग beautiful greenery, and this is the place forest where so many people are walking and they want to keep their body healthy, so that this is the purpose they are walking in the forest. But I want to know कि why they are walking in the forest, but they will tell that कि मतलब we want to keep our body healthy. So the one part, the physically body, we can keep healthy when we are walking in this forest. Exercise, we are doing exercise. So due to this reason we can keep our body healthy. But I want know one thing, कि our body attached with the mental things. So we need how you will healthy your mental environment, मतलब how you will keep healthy your mental environment. So you need some literatures. Literature, it means which is relevant with your mental environment. So we need to understand कि what is the physical environment and mental environment, both are the importance to us. So when we would understand the both parameter, physically and mentals, then we will be able to keep our body healthy. So without understanding in this aspect, we cannot understand all aspect of why we are walking in this forest. So this is the perspective. So many people, they are walking in the forest and they are walking with together, friends, their friends, and they are talking, but their respirate, their lungs is taking the more oxygen, because they are investing their oxygens in the conversations each other. So we need how we will aware about when we are walking in this forest, and without our awareness we cannot save our healthy body. So we need to understand why we are walking in this forest, what is the purpose, and how we can keep our healthy body. So this is the aspect we need to understand, कि मतलब how to nurture the mind, and how I will nurture our consciousness, because consciousness and sentient and insentient, there are the two things existing in the human body. So we need to understand the sentient and insentient. Insentient, it means body is always working according their own virtue. It is the matter things, the body is made by the matter, the body having the our body is made by the padarth. So we need to understand कि how the property of our body's virtue. So our DNA property is the काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह, मद, मात्सर्य, and a desire, greed, anger, delusions, envy, and so this is the DNA virtue of the humanity. So we need to understand it is the property of the matter, human body matters. And another one thing, it is the consciousness arising from the body, because there is the insentient is having the two part, one is the body and second is the consciousness. The consciousness is a nature, swabhav. Consciousness has the swabhav. Consciousness can experience, can understand of the whatever feeling arising from the body. So this is the reason the consciousness is suffering misery, because the consciousness is attached with the each and every cells. So all sensation is arising from the human body. So our consciousness is attached and taking some experience. So this is the misery of the our consciousness. So this is the pain, this is the bondage. And why? Because but the nature mother has given the one power, it is a chunav, कि we can choose our actual reality, कि what is the sentient, what is the consciousness virtue, and what is the where we want to go, the real truth or nature, prakriti mata. So we have the power. So other creature, they do not have such type of the power. So we can choose where we want to go. So this is the two option, and we can understand all these things because we are the consciousness being, we are the creature of the consciousness. So consciousness, and we can nurture consciousness with the religion sculpture. It means the relevant religion sculpture, like is the Upanishad, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and so many religion sculpture, which is belong in the Adhyatmikta. So we need to read this literature so that we can nurture our consciousness. So it is a very beneficial for humanity, क्योंकि we want to do something but we don't know okay, how I will develop our life, because we do not understand the both conditions, the sentient and insentient. This is the misery of the humanity. So we need to understand the sentient and insentient things, then we will be understand the life. Otherwise, why we are going to walking anywhere, but we cannot understand. So this is the misery we are having some pain. So I think that ki matlab you are understanding, you are getting my point. So I would recommend some religion sculpture granth, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Upanishad. It is a very important granth, and the Indian darshan philosophy, the Chhat darshan. So it is a very important to develop the human life. So I think matlab have you understand my point. So thank you, have a nice day.